The US management consulting firm Boston Consulting Group, in its recent report, has called India as one of the fastest growing future export manufacturing powerhouses. In the consolidated analysis of the past 5 years, the report highlights how there has been a 10% decline in total Chinese exports to the US during the period from 2018 to 2022. And during the same period, India's exports to the US has increased by 44%. Let us look at the factors that made India one of the preferred manufacturing spots in the world. Hello and welcome, I am Shreya and you're watching the Pamphlet. The BCG Group, in its latest study titled Harnessing the Tectonic Shifts in Global Manufacturing, has talked about the manufacturing shifts that have occurred over the past 5 years due to trade wars, pandemic, geopolitical tensions, Brexit and Ukraine war. Over the years, the manufacturing sources of the leading nations have changed. For instance, the semiconductor and material shipments from India to the US surged by 143% over the past 5 years, albeit from a low base. On the other hand, China saw a decrease of 29% in the same segment. Consumer electronics saw a 392% increase in exports from India to the US, while China saw a 2% decline. Auto components exports from India to the US saw a 65% increase, while China witnessed a 12% decline. And the mechanical machinery saw a 70% increase in trade from India to US, while China saw a decline of 28%. This statistics clearly indicates that India is rapidly developing as a producer of engines and turbines and shifting its stance from being an importer to a major exporter now. We are emerging with a broad manufacturing base that supplies everything from electric vehicles and heavy machinery to chemicals and appliances for its domestic market. Also, as per BCG's calculations, the average landed cost of Indian-made goods imported into the US, including factory wages adjusted for productivity, logistics, tariffs and energy, is 15% lower than if the goods are made in the US. Now, if we compare this with China, then its landed cost is only 4% lower than US cost and 21% higher for goods subject to US tariffs related to the trade war. BCG at last is suggesting to shift the assembly and procurement base to India if we have to focus on lowering costs. The potential cost savings as expected ranges from 25 to 40%. All these factors will be strategic in developing a manufacturing and supply base in India, which will have potential to expand and adjust to the demands across the world. Thank you for watching. If you like the content, do like, share and subscribe to our channel, The Pamphlet.